Recording.
All right, you guys, this is us right now leaving Laredo. We are leaving Laredo, headed to Big Bend. That's where we're going to rendezvous with the rest of the crew. Nighthawk, Velvet Rose, and Old School. I got two guns and Woody right with me now.
It's Lappy
On three, Slappy adventure. 1, 2, 3. Slappy adventure.
Shit. Well, we got off in Mexico, and let me tell you something. We couldn't read a damn thing. We didn't know where we was coming or damn going. But daggone, we went anyway. We wanted to see it. We wanted to see it. And seen it, we did. And seen it, we did. All right, we about to jump on this daggone interstate. Interstate 35 northbound. You hear me? Northbound. There it is, y'all. Y'all see it up there. All right. We on the interstate. Ain't a damn thing to see here. Thanks for watching, you guys. Woo! Bucket list. All right.
Man, y'all tricked me, man. I thought we were gonna pull over and get good Wendy's or something, man.
Yeah, we are. We just didn't say word. Yeah, we gonna get some.
Man, that's cool. That's how we do, man. That's how we do.
What's with this Pop Tart? Oh, I got some of that damn continental breakfast, Woodrow. You didn't get none?
Shit, I got two guys told me about apple pie. Look at your rear view mirror. Look at I got that mirror right here.
Hey,
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 I walked out of something now.
I got me an apple damn pie and a chewy.
I got this and a muffin in the backpack.
Right.
That's what I'm talking about.
I got some jerky too. I ain't much worried about the belly button right now. I'm worried about this daggone gas tank. How you looking on gas, Woodrow?
Oh, I'm good. I filled up last night.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, when I was ran around.
You the only smart one.
Yeah,
Right there by the gas station. I said, you want to fill up too? Go there. I run on electricity.
Don't believe that shit, Woody.
How many miles you got on your bike?
Who me?
No.
Shit. Oh.
No, 2 guns. You 2. How much you got, Woodrow?
Tell me how many I done build up since
No,
the trip.
how many miles you got on the bike?
Let me check here.
You got 71? I got 83.
I got 80. I got 68.
68?
68.
Yeah, I got 82.7. They good and broke in. Sitting on the daggone side of the road, eating the damn nature bar. I got a shit.
This Slappy. We got them gas out of town. We out of town, goddamn.
No. I asked you want to get some gas. Oh, I got half a tank. I said, well, that'd be enough gas there and get us something to eat. That's what I said. Damn, they go a cactus. I want to take one of them cactus with me. I say, where we going, there going to be plenty of cactus. What do you think?
Oh, yeah.
Probably one of them poison cactus out here, shit.
Poisonous. That's all I need is get poisoned. I'm already limping. But damn, they must got it shut completely down because it ain't nothing moving this way or that way.
Yeah, you're right.
Got a beef jerky right here. Is that an old one?
Damn. I'm glad you told me to get a grab a pie there too, huh? I'm enjoying it right now.
If that being laid on those off, they heat it up.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
7 hours away right now. I thought we was gonna run up 35, but we're gonna run us 82 most of it. We're gonna be real close to the daggum border. I can't pronounce the damn town.
We can say we've been all the way to the bottom of Texas.
Yeah, we at the bottom of that bad Oscar.
Yeah, most people that live in Louisiana and Baton Rouge, they ain't never been to Texas.
Mm-hmm. Most people where I'm from, far Texas, they been to Texas Avenue.
Texas Avenue.
Yeah, man, we'll have a photo op over here. Construction's on, you guys. It happens. Yeah. There's Woodrow. There's Woodrow back there on the Ventura. Everybody carbureted, ain't it?
Yeah.
Woodrow.
Yeah, it's carbureted.
So he looked in your trailer though, too, gun?
Yep.
Yeah, you was talking to me. He was talking to me. I couldn't hear him. He said, I can't forget what he said, but whatever it was, yeah, yes sir. He already know. He already know the answer. Your bike register in your name.
Yep.
What else he asked me? That? Oh, where I do? What do I do for a living?
Yep. I'm somebody you asked me that. I'm tired.
Mm-hmm. Drive a truck. He know I drive, but they already know all the answers.
Yeah.
They already know all. They gonna see what you gonna say. Yeah, where you been? He asked, where you been? Woodrow. I said, I don't know, man.
Yeah, no, man.
We just rode around in circles and came out.
I said, we went across here goddamn just to a bus. They came over here early this morning on the way out.
Come over here just to get a taco on
So I
Taco
laughed.
Tuesday. Taco Tuesday, Woodrow. You can't say Taco Tuesday without giving the daggone the yell.
You got to get a yell, man.
Let's hear your yell.
Taco Tuesday. Yeah. Yeah.
That sound like a daggum 10-year-old girl.
Shoot, all right.
What's him that movie out of damn Chihuahua?
Chihuahua.
With a bunch of it in Mexico, some of it like a little cartoon movie or some shit.
I don't know nothing about that one now.
It's an old movie, man. Hey, when doggy got lost, he ran up on some other Chihuahuas and shit.
Chihuahua. What the heck? Chihuahua?
Oh, they moving look like on the other side.
At the wrong side, Pedro.
Wrong side.
Oh, they damn bringing them across. I guess they're going to.
Yeah. Damn, boy, that truck
Whoa, damn.
he pissed, boy.
Oh, he got a damn.
He drove a high gear, didn't
He sure was.
He pissed, ain't he?
He can say he's going to do 75 miles an hour, what they said.
They finna catch up.
We get ready to roll.
Guess they let one side come, then get the other side.
Had breakfast. And we just need to give the gas something to eat. Give the bike something to eat. Gas. I'd like to find a car wash and hose this sucker off.
it? The movie was called Chihuahua or something, man.
That's what the movie was called?
Yeah, I think it was.
I hope they ain't got a whole bunch of traffic on backups on this damn road like this.
That shit behind us ain't long, though.
Is it? I hope it's as smooth as this, though. That shit, we come down there yesterday. That's that big boogity roads. Excuse me. Taco Tuesday.
And I don't hear no tapping in the thing now. What's the difference?
The difference is we're not moving, bro.
Oh, so we moving, you get to tapping in.
No, you get the wind noise.
Oh, okay.
The wind whipping in on you. That's the whole thing about that. I got a few little foam cushions though. If you want to put your open face on too, gun.
Nah, not yet. I do get the
What I'm
stuff.
saying, when you do, stick it over the top and then stick it top, squeeze it down, and stick that plastic one over.
All right.
That I don't.
Those got that sock on there, too.
The other one do.
Yeah, maybe put the sock on.
That wind was just coming in strong yesterday, sideways and everything else. And you might could just stick it over top of that damn leather sock.
I ain't gonna put on that down to I get some
Yeah.
warm on up a little bit.
That time I done pulled mine off. It get too hot in that Texas sun like it did yesterday. I said I had to pull this thing up off my head. Here we go. Here we go. Just hope we don't hit another one of these backups. And they better be doing something up here. Most time they get all this going, they ain't even working. It is kind of cool. I ain't even touched the temperature.
I ain't doing shit up here, Slap. What the hell was the hold up?
I don't know.
They could have both sides open, but it's like a shit.
I don't know.
So we'll still be in Mexico here. Don't know what the hell going on.
We went in one border there, Woodrow, and came out on another border.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You talking about somebody lost? They had the signs up everywhere. We didn't know what the fuck they said.
Go that way.
We were trying to leave, and boy, you better be glad you didn't go, Woodrow. Man, they had them damn old. You see these little round things right here?
Yeah.
They had great big ones just all over the man. They about hell, I about dropped mine 3 times.
Wow.
And them thing, bloop, 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 bloop.
And they staggered, so like a triangle. You
Yeah.
can't miss them bitches.
And then you get your back wheel over, back wheel just spin on top of it because they smooth.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was an experience, I can tell you that.
Yeah, I said I'm gonna wait on. I said they should be driving up just about now, or they not gonna be driving up.
Well, you came out, you was at the right time, though.
Yeah. I guess we spent about 2.5 hours up in there. We went in when it was dark, kind of came out crack of dawn. Everybody wasn't no traffic going in.
Okay.
And them daggone, what they call them, Port Authority girls, or fighters, I don't know what. You hear me?
Oh man.
All of them.
All of them. Even the ugly ones was fine.
Right.
Even the ugly ones had it going on. Ain't no work being done on here. Well, but damn, come on now.
Oh, yeah. That's what I'm saying, dog. This is fun. I mean, I don't know why they have it blocked off a bit further up.
There gotta be something going on up there. I got faith in them. Gotta be. Next stop, Big Ben.
Man, that's all right.
That's a pretty decent hotel for the price. Didn't have no breakfast. Over the pool. We ain't got a damn pool with a jacuzzi yet.
For real.
Man, they ain't doing no work around here. Damn, was that a damn gas station?
Yeah, we need some. We'll sipe some out of woody shit.
I brought a pump. I did with old Charles Gibson. Oh, here we go. I got one of them damn pumps. Stick that one in there and just pump it, sucker. There we go. I don't feel as bad about the damn stop now. I want to see some assholes and air bubbles.
Turning. They had to stop a good ways back considering how much traffic came through.
Yeah. They got them way over there. find a little smooth patch. Well, we're rolling.